Sanskrity. So
Hi.
today we are here to have a discussion on all the pedagogies that you've been using in your class. But before we jump right onto the topic, I'd like a small introduction from your side.
Yeah, I'm Sanskrity Singh. I'm from Lucknow. Right now I'm in Hyderabad in DT. I'm working as a data scientist here, and it's been 3 months. I'm taking class for BTech student as a industrial trainer.
Okay, so what are the some of the pedagogies that you've been using in your class regularly to teach the students?
We have so many pedagogies like frameworks, technology, business, and designing frameworks, TBD framework we call them. And then 5-minute techniques we are using related. It's like we relate real life problems with technical concepts and how we found a solution for real life problems. Same we implement in tech problems also. And then I have been using Socratic drills, which is very much effective with the student. So in Socratic drills, what we do, we don't give them exact answer. We put series of questions, which will eventually help them to figure out the answers by themselves.
Okay, so these are very interesting pedagogies. So what is that one pedagogy that you always use?
One pedagogy. There is two pedagogy that I've been using on regular basis. One is Feynman technique and one is Socratic drill. So in Feynman technique, what we do, we take any technical concept and relate it with a real world problem, and then try to solve it first in a real world situation, and then we interrelate those solutions with the problem of technical world also. So it gives the first of all student feel like they can relate with the topic, they can relate with the content delivery, and then they get a reference to understand the technical concepts.
Okay, so can you give me an example of how you'd explain a topic?
Yeah, sure. So it's like for Feynman technique, uh, we were teaching Figma with the Feynman technique.
Okay, how were you teaching Figma with Feynman technique?
We told them that Figma is like a canvas, and whatever you'll draw there, it will be your portrait.
Okay, so how are you interrelating these pedagogies? Like you said, you use Feynman technique and Socratic questioning.
Yeah.
How are you connecting these two pedagogies to each
So
other?
it's like Socratic questioning is like putting questions, series of questions, right? So I'll give an example. One session I have about Figma. So I asked them, "Have you ever used Canvas?" They said yes. Then I asked them, "How Canvas look like?" They said a whiteboard. Then I asked them, "Then what you do to start painting?" They said, "We pick some tools like paintbrush and color." Then I asked them, "Then what you do?" Then they said, "We first draw something." Same thing, I related it with the technical concept, and I told them that Figma is a platform where you get a canvas, then you pick some tools like shape and screen resolution, and then you start drawing that thing on canvas. First you select some shapes, so it's like that.
Okay, so using these pedagogies, have you seen any impact within the students?
Yes, definitely. It's like when we put some real life world example, they start interacting more. They have input to give, so it gives them chance to speak. If we'll directly jump into the technical concept, there's no space for them to answer. It's like lecture for them then.
Okay, that's very interesting. Thank you for this discussion, Sanskriti.
Thank you.